I ask Allah from the bottom of my heart to help you, whoever you are, wherever you are, in whatever struggles you are going through. May Allah be with you, guide you, help you, alleviate your struggles. May Allah take away your difficulties, your hardships. May Allah help you to sustain yourself through His favor alone. May Allah grant you cure from the sickness that you may be going through right now. May Allah have mercy on you for the loss that He may have made you go through, and at the same time may Allah help us to help one another. Ameen.